Whether it's a single stem or a grouped bunch, the impact of fresh florals really comes in the combination of the flowers and the vessel they are positioned in. You can spend a lot, especially for a quantity of matching vases for a party or for an event, but you don't have to. We have some surprisingly thrifty ways to make a statement with fresh cut flowers. Michelle Inkley is here to share. So good to see you. You look adorable today, by the way.
Thank you.
The cutest. All right, are you a fresh flower lover?
Definitely fresh.
Yes.
So if I had to choose, definitely I choose fresh flowers over faux. Now there are sometimes you have to choose faux for wreaths and different things, but
and faux's gotten good over the years.
Faux has gotten really good over the years.
Yeah.
So it just kind of depends on the situation, but for like parties and showers and things, I go real.
Well, I had a friend post a really clever meme over the weekend, something to the effect of, now that I'm in my 30s, fresh flowers are my drug of choice. Meaning like my mental therapy, my emotional boost. There's something about fresh flowers in the home.
Yeah, it's so charming.
It does give you that jolt.
Yeah, and it makes you happy, and every time you see it, and it's just a little burst of sunshine.
Well, you have plenty of bursts of sunshine here today. Where do you want to start, Michelle?
Okay, so what I was thinking was I needed an outdoor installment for a shower that I'm doing in a couple of weeks. And so I was perusing Pinterest and came upon this.
Look at this.
And it didn't look like this, of course, right? I've always have to tweak it a little bit.
Yes.
But I thought this is so fun for outdoors because you can use the mason jars, just cut stuff from your yard, put maybe herbs in there, make it fit your decor, fit the party that you want.
What's sustaining the jars?
So yeah, so this is, you put it on your dryer vents.
What? I mean, of course I know that.
You know, for some reason it hooks on like your dryer vent and it adheres it somehow. I just saw those at Home Depot and I thought, oh, they're so like, you know, kind of cool and industrial. So I just spray painted them gold. I got and you just have to twist them and you can pop these in and out.
I bet that Home Depot checker was really impressed about you going home to fix your dryer vents.
Well, yeah, 4 of them.
And in your head, you're like, no, this is just my party planning brain in action.
Worry, I'm gonna spray paint
really
them.
Cool.
But really easy, and then just put a little eye hook in the top, and you can just hang them.
Oh, I see, yeah.
Can you see that? And it's super easy, and that's how we adhere it to the wall. You can 3M it up if you want, but it's just easy, changeable, simple, very, very inexpensive. These are like $1, like, you know, it's like no money.
And this would be an installation you could use indoor or out.
Yeah, it would be so cute in an office or a kitchen. I mean, anywhere.
That's happy. That is so
cute,
happy.
And you can change it out to fit your needs.
Okay,
So.
all right, what else?
So then as I was doing that, I saw one that had little test tubes and I'm like, oh, well, my office needs something cute on the wall. So I made a little, kind of the same idea, but used test tubes instead of the mason jars. And then you can just put those single stems in there from your garden, from, you know, your neighbor's garden.
Talk about good neighbor.
Sorry.
Good neighbor who maybe didn't know they were such a good neighbor until right this very minute. But a good dollar stretching tip too, because a lot of times we think more is more. We need a big bunch of fresh flowers, which can get really expensive.
It can. And this is all about displaying it, so you only need just a few. And you always will have these, so if you just need to pick up 2 things or just, you know, clip a couple things from your yard, then you have something kind of cute that brightens up a corner.
The jute is a nice touch. How did you affix that?
So that I just wrapped around, and you can pull that, turn that over.
Okay,
yes.
Okay.
I wrapped it around there, drilled a hole in the back, and tied it to just like one of those little nuts so it doesn't go through the hole again. Super easy. I had some leather, but I didn't have enough to do both, so I chose jute. But leather was what I really wanted to do.
Nuts, bolts.
Kind of
this
cute.
Woman is a Home Depot master.
And no money, right? Like that was a piece of wood for my, you know, stash, or you can just go to Home Depot, have them slice you up a little bit, or look in their bin of extras.
I love this next idea.
Now this is faux, okay?
Oh my goodness.
So I love this. I have this in my office, and I just think it's so happy. These are just those cardboard letters from Joann's or Michael's, the craft stores.
Oh, the lightweight ones.
The really lightweight ones. And I spray painted them the colors that I wanted, and kind of just like X-Acto knifed out the top, and then shoved in my succulents and the flowers.
Amazing.
So super easy. This will last all summer. Put it up on your mantle. Put it up when you're having a party.
Yes.
Whatever. It's super easy. And those letters I got at 40% off, so the whole thing.
Well, and you've stretched that 40% off even further. Can I show this too? I was kind of affixed.
It's kind of,
on the back, you've done a different color set.
Yes.
So this can spin this around. There's blues, cool blues on the backs, or the bright, punchy, vibrant color tones on the front.
Right. Because, you know, it's reversible.
Yeah.
Why?
Well, as Jeff pointed out, Michelle, you spelled that backwards.
It's backwards.
Yeah, very clever this morning.
So very cute, very easy and expensive.
This is modern and
this
cheap.
This is my favorite. So I needed something on my banquette that matched some stuff that I already had there, and it needed to be super simple and modern because my floral backdrop wallpaper was just busy. So I wanted to create this, and I thought this is going to be so hard. but it's surprisingly easy.
Okay.
You have to start with a base. Now, you don't have to put the little track in there. I did with a router. I also did one with a saw. Like, I just kind of sawed, you know, a little bit with my saw to create a little divot.
Little divot
you don't
there.
need it if you don't want to. This I found at Home Depot again. It is for, I don't know, your fridge.
Who
some
cares?
sort of, yeah, some
no,
sort
just
of.
kidding. I'm offending repairman left and right.
I know, thanks repairman. But it was like $12 for a huge, like I could make 100 of these.
How did you cut it?
So this is my little cutter right here. You just like tighten it and then you twist it around like this.
That doesn't look like it's going to have enough power to do much of anything.
No, it does. I mean, it might take me a minute, but you just kind of keep tightening it and then turning it, and then it will pop off the top.
So you don't need a big fancy
You don't need
tool.
a fancy, and of course it's not going to pop off for you, but it pops
in theory,
off.
no.
In theory, it pops off. Then it's bendable, so just find something that you can want to, you know, bend it and just bend it into the shape. It's so easy. I mean, you might have to manipulate it a little.
No, it gives.
Yeah, super easy, so you don't have to heat it up or blowtorch it or whatever.
So you shape it around here.
Shape it around it, whatever you want, and then I just glued it into this. You can you don't even need a tray. If you just want to glue it to the piece of wood, you can, and it will stay perfectly.
And the flowers pop up the
And then
top.
just 2 little stems. But it's so modern and cute and chic.
All right, about a minute left. One more fabulous modern inspired
Okay,
idea.
after you drink your Snapples, go ahead and save them.
Do people still drink Snapples?
I don't know.
That's like the drink of my high school years. Snapple.
Okay, Calypso. These are Calypso bottles. Water bottles, whatever kind of bottles. And then grab that, Brooke.
Yeah.
I'll show you how fancy I was to get the lines on here. Costco ads, whatever, you know, your magazine, a Sharpie, and you just create the lines by going like this.
Oh, stop. And a Sharpie?
And a Sharpie. So super, super easy. It's gonna stay. If it gets wet, it's not going to bleed everywhere.
Oh my
It's just
goodness.
really super easy. You could probably do different colors, but I liked these because if you don't want to use flowers, just 1 pack of flowers is all you need.
For all of these bottles?
Yeah, I mean, look at this. All of this is from 1 pack of Costco flowers. So, and a few little roses from, I'm not gonna say where.
Thank you,
and
neighbor.
then, and then, how cute is this? If you just want to do like greens, you don't even have to do flowers. Just clip some greens from your garden and just have it be kind of monochromatic.
The black and white offsets that green or those color punches
It's
so
all about
well.
the vase making a statement as well as some of the flowers. Sometimes the vases are cuter, so go ahead and just do something simple and show off your creativity with the vases.
We love you. We love your creativity and your just vibrant mind. What's coming up for you?
We'll have tutorials on this coming up on the blog, so look for those in the next couple weeks. I also have a baby shower and a wedding that I'm doing, and also some organizing clients. So everything, Brooke, everything is coming up, and it's hitting us fast and hard.
One talented woman. You want to follow along on both her website and Instagram, theglitzypair.com. Thank you so much. We feel happier already.
I hope so.
You and the flowers. It was a good combination.
Thank you.